Hello, Scott. My name is Steve Douglas. I'm the Internet Manager here at Pacific Auto Center. You had inquired online about a Dodge truck. So I wanted to show you we have so many trucks in stock. So we invite you to come on down, take a look for yourself, take a look at all of our inventory, and pick out the truck for you. We've got many in stock, and we want to earn your business. Pacific Auto Center, we're located in Fontana. Our number is 909-429-1100. Come on out. We're in Fontana. We're off the 10 freeway. We're on Valley Boulevard in between Citrus and Sierra. Pacific Auto Center. We look forward to earning your business soon.